Static is a strange keyword because it means two completely different things depending on where you put it. Today, we look at both. Meaning number one, on a function, static means that this only exists inside this file. Nothing outside main.c can call double underscore it, not even if another file tries to declare it itself. Quadruple it can call it because they are in the same file. That's allowed. Build it clean. Nothing surprising yet. Now here's the second file helper.c that tries to call double it directly from outside main.c. Watch what happens when both files build together. There it is, not a compiler error, a linker error, undefined reference to double it. The code was actually synthetically fine, the function just doesn't exist as far as anything outside main.c is concerned. That's static's first meaning, proven directly by the tool that's supposed to wire everything together and it refuses. Meaning number two is different. Static on variable inside a function. Normally, a local variable is destroyed and recreated fresh every time the function runs. Static changes that. It's initialized once ever and keeps its value between calls. I cannot show you this one on STM32 board this episode. There's no UART wired up to print anything, so this lives in a small bonus file that runs on your own computer instead. Plain C, no board is needed. One, two, three. Three calls to the same function and the counter kept counting because static remembered it instead of resetting to 0 every time. Same keyword, two jobs. Hide something from other files or make a local variable remember itself between calls. Context tells you which one you are looking at. Full steps for both parts are in the episode readme, link in the description. Next time, volatile and why the compiler sometimes helpfully deletes code you actually needed.